Alright, so remember when we last talked about the Osmo Pocket 4? That was back on February 28th when that quick start guide leaked, and at that point it really felt like launch was right around the corner. But since then, things kind of went quiet. Most of the attention shifted to the whole Avata 360 situation, and honestly it felt like the Pocket 4 just disappeared for a bit. But now, things are picking up again. And once again, Igor Bogdanov has shared something interesting. This new image shows a shipping label that literally says Osmo Pocket 4 dummy unit. And this is a proper logistics label, the kind you see on actual cartons moving through warehouses. You've got barcodes, UPC codes, unit counts, all the stuff used to track real shipments. So this tells us these units are already part of a distribution process, not just internal testing anymore. Now, the key detail here is dummy unit. That usually means it's not a fully functional camera. These are typically used for things like packaging validation, retail display setups, or logistics testing. And to really understand how big this is, you have to look at the full timeline of leaks, because this didn't just happen overnight. It actually started earlier this year when we first saw parts of the user manual leak online. That was the first real sign that the Pocket 4 was close. Manuals don't just appear randomly, they show up when a product is nearing completion, and they gave us our first hints about the controls and overall layout. Then, on February 15th, things got a lot more interesting. A hands-on video surfaced online showing a working Osmo Pocket 4, and this wasn't some staged promo or official reveal. This was filmed inside a DJI authorized store in Malaysia, where a customer apparently walked in with the device and showed it to the staff. That's how the footage got out, and that moment was huge because for the first time we saw the camera actually being used in the real world. Then came February 28th, the quick start guide leak, and this was a big one. It walked through the device setup, controls, and even hinted at different bundles like the creator combo. At that point, it really felt like everything was ready and just waiting for launch. And now, fast forward to this, dummy units showing up in shipping labels. So if you connect all of this, the progression is actually very clear. We went from internal documents to a real-world hands-on sighting, to detailed quick start materials, and now to physical units moving through logistics. And yeah, there was a bit of a gap where things slowed down, but this pretty much confirms we're still on track. Based on earlier leaks, we're likely looking at a China launch sometime in late March or April 2026, followed by a global rollout maybe 2 to 3 weeks later. Of course, timelines can always shift, but with this kind of movement, it really does feel close now. Alongside the standard Pocket 4, there are also talks about a Pro version. That one is expected to launch slightly later, possibly around May or June 2026. At this point, everything is lining up. The leaks, the timeline, the logistics, it all points in one direction. We're getting very close. Now I'm curious, are you more excited for the standard Pocket 4, or are you waiting to see what the Pro version brings? Peace.